Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to use Suica app. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. Now, first things first, what is Suica? So Suica here, or the Suica app, is a way for you to use the public transportation in Japan. Now, if you're outside of Japan and planning to travel to the region, you may have noticed that the Suica app available in the App Store is primarily in Japanese. Now, in this case, the English version of the app, which was previously available but has since been removed and rendered obsolete. Now, for non-Japanese speakers, the only option now is to download the Japanese version of the Suica app from the App Store. Now, however, be aware that the entire app, including all text and options, will be in Japanese, and there is currently no option to translate it. Now, if you're using the default Suica app, which is beneficial for residents of Japan, managing their cards directly through the app, you can perform tasks such as adding a balance, registering new cards by tapping the plus sign on the home screen. And however, for tourists or those who prefer an English application, an alternative method is recommended. You can directly go to Apple Wallet, tap the plus sign, and if your Apple ID region is set to the Japan or within the transit card section, you will find the option to link a Suica card. Now, this approach is more convenient for non-Japanese speaker. The Suica app primarily allows you to manage your cards both physically and digitally, but the Apple Wallet provides similar functionalities with greater convenience. Now, to use the Suica app, you can download it and find the plus sign at the top right corner of the screen to manage your Suica cards. However, it's worth noting that Apple Wallet is a more user-friendly option for people or foreigners who are not living in Japan. Now, particularly if you're not fluent in Japanese. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.